this video, you will learn how you can use Descope's SSO suite to allow you and your customers to set up SSO easily and quickly. Let's take a look at an SSO-enabled flow. This will be a flow we use to test our SSO. We will use the template library to do this. The template library is a great resource for finding default flows based on different parameters, such as authentication type, sign up versus in, and your use cases. Let's go ahead and click SSO, and we can pick any of these that has the SSO action in it. Let's go ahead and use the Magic Link SSO template. We can actually change this and rename it later on. As you can see, it has the SSO component. The SSO component will automatically route users based on their domains and other configurations. So in terms of the flow itself, we're done. We can move on to actually setting up the SSO for a tenant. Let's click on Tenant Settings. You can go ahead and create a new tenant. After we click into the tenant, you'll be presented with the tenant settings. From here, you'll see the SSO setup suite. Here you can generate a link to the SSO suite that automatically verifies you. You can copy this and paste it into the browser or send it out to your tenant admins. In addition, you can actually embed this link generator in your website to allow your users to generate their own links. Let's go ahead and copy and paste this link. This is the SSO suite. Here you're presented with several options: the SSO configuration, skim, and some advanced options near the bottom. For now, we're going to focus on SSO configuration. The SSO suite comes with many default configured providers. Each will guide you through each step of the setup. Let's go ahead and look at one. As you can see, there are detailed pictures and guides for each step. In addition, the URLs you need are presented to you. And the SSO suite will guide you on which inputs you need to enter and give you fields where you can enter them. After you've entered all the fields, you can go ahead and set up your scopes, your user attribute matching. The SSO domains is how Descope's SSO component will know where to route the user. Once you have your SSO set up correctly, you can actually test it in the SSO suite to make sure your configuration is correct. For this video, to keep things simple, we will set up a SAML connection with MockSAML, which is a website that allows you to set up a pretend SAML endpoint as the IDP. Let's pick the general SAML connection. Let's go ahead and go to MockSAML. All we need here is the metadata URL for MockSAML. As you can see, we have the option to put these in manually or use the metadata URL. From there, we get user attribute matching, group mapping, SSO domains, and we can actually save and test our configuration. And here's a response we get back from the IDP. So now we know that we tested and configured our SSO properly. In addition to setting up SSO connections, you can easily set up skim in the same way, with a dedicated guide. Just like with the SSO setup suite, it'll guide you through every step needed to set up skim with your configured provider. Now that we have our SAML connection configured and tested, we can show it from within the flow. You can test any of your flows from within the console. As you can see, the user got routed automatically, and when we come back from the IDP, we get a successful authentication. In this video, you learned how you and your customers can easily set up SSO and skim within a few minutes through Descope using the SSO suite and flows. Thank you.